What is up, everybody? So today we've got a special unboxing to do. Well, I was contacted by the good people at Motikom to unbox and review their new product, the M Plus. Now, before we jump into unboxing this product, Motikom has an Indiegogo campaign right now, and you can check that out in the link in the description, or you can go to motikom.com and find out more information. But this product is one of a kind in that it is the first noise-canceling Bluetooth headset for you to use, not just for use on your motorcycle, but for other uses like on a bicycle, on a hike, on a walk. It has many features. I will make sure that all of that information will go down in the description. But what we're going to do today is unbox this, and there will also be a link at the end of this video if you want to check out the review. I'll release both of these videos at the same time, so whether you're in this to find out what is in the box that you get when you purchase your Motikom MPlus, you'll be able to do either of those things right now. So you can find the link to review it in the description, or you can wait until the end of the video and click the link there. And of course, if you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button. And as always, it's always helpful if you guys hit that subscribe button to support my channel. Usually you'll find me out on my motorcycle, which is why Motikom contacted me in the first place, so I could test this baby out as we hit the road. But today we're doing this very special unboxing. So let's get right to it. Very nice packaging, I'll say that first of all. They've got a lot of details here, including the special features of the M Plus. But nice packaging. The one thing that I will say is that it does not say what is included in the box, which is going to make this video for you very helpful to find out what is exactly in this box. So let's find out. Okay, we're gonna put this lid aside. And nice little logo here. And here is the product itself. And before we get into the other things that it comes with, your product is going to come with a very nice Motikom case for your M Plus, and this is the main unit here. And this, you'll see here, it comes with these ear gels, and as we get further into it, I'm sure that they come with different sizes as well, because these aren't going to fit in everybody's ears the same. The weight of this product feels substantial, which I always, if something's too light and feels cheap, I feel like it's something easy to tell right off the bat. But this feels substantial. What you will notice is that it bends not just this way and this way, but you can do this, and they call this three-dimensional, so that you can really fit this to your neck in the way that it's not going to be bouncing around. So weight is important as well, because if you're going to be wearing this around your neck, you don't want it to be bouncing around. So right off the bat, I can attest to that. So a very nice case that it comes with here. We'll put this aside for now, and we'll get more into the guts of this. You've got manual. It's got the overview. I will also say that if you go to Motikom's YouTube channel, which is the M Plus channel, for more information on this, you're going to find some great videos that are going to help you set up your Motikom, which we won't get into in depth because they've done such a good job, I think, on those videos. This will be strictly a unboxing, and then again, like I said, we'll review the product as well. So as we get further into this, we find these are the filters, extra filters for the boom mic, which I'm sure we will get into further. You will also get, these are the different varieties of ear gels. The ones that are on there, I'm sure, are like the medium size. These here, I bet, are the large. And then just different form factors. I think if you're not one of those people who likes to have something like the earbud inside your ear, they have something of this nature that looks like, so you don't have to stick it all the way into your ear canal. I guess if that's we're gonna talk scientifically. I'm not a scientist, and I'm not. As we get further into this, these are going to be the Velcro that you're going to attach your boom mic. So you've got the hook and loop side. This here looks like maybe if there's an attachment for a microphone that isn't the boom mic, is for that there. Not Velcro brand, just so you are aware of that as well. And the last box here, I'm guessing is going to include the boom mic. So let's open this baby up. And that's exactly what's in here. We'll find out exactly what are in each of these bags. This looks like a charge cord with the little, I believe this is the micro USB for charging, which is nice that it comes with it. Not always companies will include the charging cord because people tend to have those laying around, but it does come with one of those. Okay, so this is the portion here that's going to plug into one side of the boom mic, and then we'll see as we go along here the different pieces that are necessary for operation of the MPlus. Oh, there is an optional non-boom version of the mic, and I'm guessing that's what this is. So there's an extra filter that comes in this bag for this microphone. If you're wearing a full-faced helmet, to me, it's going to be easier for you to install a microphone like this as opposed to a microphone like the boom mic. But you know what? We're going to test both out when we do that review. So make sure, like I said, to check out the review video if that's something that you're interested in. And here's the boom mic. So again, you're going to attach the boom mic there. But you've got the boom mic here. But like I said, also what's included is a lower profile microphone for you to use with a full-faced helmet, which I think is great. When I saw the product online, I noticed that they reviewed it, or they opened the box and they showed you the functionality with this boom mic. And for someone like me who wears a full-face helmet most of the time, this one here is going to come in more handy for me. But either way, you've got the attachment for your helmet. You're going to put the adhesive or the Velcro here so that you can put it on your helmet. It's got the Motikom badging here on this, which is, I don't know, for me, these little touches that companies do always shows me that they're going the extra mile as far as design goes. So this is what you get with the Motikom MPlus. If you have any questions about this, make sure you leave them in the comments. If I can't answer them, I will make sure to go to Motikom for you and ask them any questions that you might have. They did say that this Bluetooth headset will link and sync to my Sena 10R. So we're going to test all of this functionality out in the review video. So like I said, this is the end of this video for the unboxing. So if you want to go straight over to the review of this product, we're going to do all kinds of tests. I'm going to give you my impressions on functionality, on fit, how all these things work together with my Sena 10R, and I'll let you know all of those things in the review video. So if you want to go straight there, there'll be a link here on the screen for you to go straight there. Like I said before, it always helps out the channel if you hit that like button, which is the thumbs up down there. And as always, there'll be a subscribe button here for you to punch as well. Make sure you hit that and check out my other content that is motorcycle related. Guys, my name is Eric. I'm that one guy. Hope you enjoyed this video. We'll see you in the next one. But until then, I am out.